Today in this video, how to solve rate limit exceeded on Twitter. Let me show you. Alright, so here you can see RIP Twitter is trending on Twitter. Now let me see guys, this page is loading perfectly fine with the trick I'm using. Now let me turn off the trick. So now you can see I turned off the trick. Let me reload the page and boom, something went wrong and I got the error rate limit exceeded. So boom, that's the trick guys. It's simple. It's a really simple trick. It works. Let me show you once again. Here you can see no matter how much retry I do, doesn't work. In my region, the Twitter is exactly down. Now once I turn on the trick, alright, now the trick is on. Let me retry the page and there we go guys. 51 seconds ago, the Twitter is not working. Alright, so let me show you the latest update. Well, people are reporting here. You can see just 3 seconds ago, RIP Twitter. People are not liking the thing and it's literally trending. Like many hashtags are trending regarding it. I don't have to tell you about it. But today in this video, I'll be just focusing on to the fix. Don't worry guys, this fix will be working for everybody. Doesn't matter where you live, it will work for 100% sure. Now let me show you how to fix this one. Alright, it's real that Twitter is down. Down detector is apparently showing 4900 outage report, which is true, but there is a way how you can use the Twitter. Well, currently their servers are really slow and in some of the regions their servers are entirely down. That's why people are reporting Twitter is not working, Twitter is down. So let me show you how to fix this one. Now the step-by-step process is really simple. So guys, make sure to hit that like if you like this trick, if you manage to solve this problem. So the trick is you need to download any VPN. Right over here, I'm using this VPN right over here. So let me turn off the VPN. So now you can see once I refresh the page in my location, the Twitter is not working no matter how much I retry. And simply when I turn on the VPN, it works like a charm. Now here is the thing guys, there is a catch. If let's say you try to use the VPN and still it doesn't work, then you need to switch your location to let's say US, UK or any other region where you see that is working. So guys, do let me know whether this trick worked out for you. Make sure to hit that like if this trick managed to solve your problem. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, that really helps us. And this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.